heard some of you folks might be interested in seeing our rig. Well, we're super interested in showing it to you too. So we decided to do it while we're driving. And I keep looking at the camera instead of the road, which is not probably good. We like to drive dangerously. No, I'm just kidding. We don't actually drive like this. Oh, we heard some of you folks might be interested in seeing our RV. But I can't pretend to be driving because Donovan just opened the door.
This is not going to be your grandparents' RV tour, I can tell you that much. We're going to do things just a little bit different. We're going to try and make this something for you to remember. So let's just go inside. What do you think?
All right, this is welcome to the inside of the RV. This is our dinette. It's where we eat. It's where all the movie magic happens. These are our recliners. They don't recline, but this is where we sit when we're not driving. These things on the wall here, this is where we keep all our stuff that we need in a moment's notice while we're sitting here. So we've got one on each side for each of us. And then over here, this is where our wardrobe is. And down there is a footstool, also known as our wine cellar. There's the sink to the for the bathroom. And just inside here, there's the usual toilet, the necessary items, and our shower. Pretty spacious. Hey, let's go take a look at the bedroom. All right, there's the bedside carry-all. Got our fans going, and
did you really think we'd fake sleeping? We don't do those kind of videos. Let me show you what it looks like from my point of view.
Man, that wide angle camera does not look good on me. This is an iPad that we have on a clamp so that you can raise it and lower it, and it makes like almost having like a movie screen right there in your face when you're laying down. And this is basically the rest of the bedroom.
Alright, so that's what it looks like. Bedroom next to the bathroom. And if you come over here, we have a kitchen. Imagine that. Kitchen. Standard kitchen. Nothing really exciting. Not really. Oh yeah, that's coming up. Should watch that. Let me tell you something cool though. So like sometimes you have these cupboards and it's hard to see in them. Like right now. Why is it hard to see in it? It's so hard to see in it, you still can't see in it. What the hell? So one thing I wanted to show you, it's kind of cool. This is our bag holder, and Jody made these cool little pot holders. And inside, notice we have light. We have these cool little lights. They're magnetic. And they work just like their motion sensor. And you just put a little magnetic strip up there that come with it. And that's how you get light in cupboards you normally wouldn't have lights in. We also put one in our refrigerator because it was so dark. See how it brightens it up real good? Pretty neat. All right. And now, the star of the show. Do a little dance. Make a little love. Get down tonight. Isn't that cute? It's a present from Jody's mom. How sweet.
And this is where we store the bigger indoor items. The camera gear and the TV.
Lots going on, but you know what's really cool is what we can show you on the roof, because that's something we're pretty proud of. Let's see if I can. This might be hard to take you with me. Let's see how I do.
Alright, let me get up there. Alright, let me try to get over to the middle. I gotta get over this. There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, let me get over to the left. Gotta be careful. I don't want to fall off this thing. Just get a little bit more over here. Alright, so what I wanted to show you is we got 5 panels, solar panels on the roof, which equal 1,000 watts of solar. And we have 630 watts of battery power in the bank. So that's all, that's the pretty exciting stuff here. Oh! 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 Thanks, Captain Marvel.
Donovan, don't you remember my name is Carol?
Sorry. Thanks, Captain Carol.
So that's it. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Vroom, vroom. Yep, we're on the road. Oh, hi. Yeah, this is Jody and Donovan from RV on the Wayside. We just wanted to let you know we heard some of you folks wanted to see the inside of our rig, and we're happy to take you on a tour. We're going to do it while we're on the road.
And remember,